see in this point, we see about the page number 11. We are doing the chapter number 2 for class 3. So on the chapter number 11, what we have done, we see about the internet. What internet is all about. Internet is developed, emerged or made in 1970s, and it make it possible. Internet make it possible data to pass through the network of computer joined by wires or cables or satellite. So, a local area network is a computer network covering a small area such as home or an office. Okay, Ahmad Jibril gave the answer that a local area network is basically based for a small area. So, local area network is also called LAN. And in the same way, we have WAN. It's a wide area network. So, small LANs make a wide area network. Two or more LANs make a wide area network. Wide area network covers the large geographical area, the large land area, and wide area network is also called the WAN. So internet is an example of wide area network called as WAN. Small LANs make a big WAN. In this lesson, we see this. Yeah, okay. So everybody have to open the worksheet from the class side or the class side. So the first question of the worksheet is there. Computers are used in school for keeping what? Keeping tickets, keeping fee records, keeping music, keeping computers, keeping letters, or keeping games. So the right answer for the question number one is fee records. Computers are used in school for keeping what? Keeping fee records. Keeping fee records. So you guys can write the answer. Keeping fee records. Okay. So after this, what we have, dash help in drawing pictures. Who help in drawing pictures? Eight computers. Computers helps in drawing pictures. So the right answer is computer for B part. Okay. So should then I write the answer here so that it will be visible to everyone. It's a computers. We can play dash with the help of computer. We can play what on computer? We can play ticket. We can okay. What we have done? We are done with the fee records. We are done with the computers. We are done with the okay. Two options are there. So now we have the third. We can play what? We can play music with the help of computer. We can play music with the help of computer. We can play music with the help of computer. So music is also done. Okay. So music is also done. Now what we have ticket, letters and games. So computers are used in railway stations for booking tickets, booking letters, booking games. So the right answer is tickets. We book tickets for booking. We book tickets for booking from railway station. So the right answer is tickets. Tickets. Everyone should have to write this in the worksheet. So this is ticket. In this way, the ticket is also gone. Now what we have the fourth one. Fifth one, we can write dash with the help of computer. We can write letter or games. We can write letters. So the right answer is letters. So we can write letters with the help of computer. Now only one option is left, and this is game. And last answer is there, and we can listen to what? We can listen to what? So now here is a twist. Here is a twist. Who will tell me? We can listen to game on a computer. So who will tell me what is the twist? Okay. Can we have to change any word? Can anyone tell me? Can we have to change? Okay, let me. Okay, Ahmad. Can we change? Can we change the word? C See the question number three. C part and F part. Can we change any word? Yes.
Yes, sir. Be
Yes.
in C, we must write game. We
Games.
can
Good.
play games.
Good. Good. Okay. Abdul Aziz, did you get the point?
Yes.
Good. Very good. Okay. Kareem, did you understand the thing? Okay.
Sir,
Now,
if you was will let us unmute, I was will tell you before. Here,
no, no. I
the
am telling the
C
answer. I am
playing
telling the
and the
answers to
F
all the questions.
music.
I am telling you the answers for all the questions, and you will write the answers only. Okay. So the last answer for this is music. It's just for the correction. It's just for the music. We can listen music on a computer, and we can play what? We can play games on. We can play games on computer. We can play games on computer. So music is not there. The right answer would be Games. The right answer would be games. It's for the understanding. Why I wrote music there? Because to understand. Okay. So we can listen music. We can play games. We can play music. Both are correct. But we can only listen music. We cannot listen games. So if you see there is a word mentioned there. If you see the word the play, we can play music there, we can play games, both can be done by the playing. We can listen music but we cannot listen the games. So these are the answers for the worksheet. Now you have one more thing. What we have, computers are used by the police department. Now this is your homework. This is your homework for question number 2. This is your homework to do the question number 2. You have to tell me these are correct or wrong. Means you have to tell me these are true or false. In the next class, I will tell you the answers, but it's your homework. First, you have to do these in your home and send me the picture in the mail. Everybody understand it? Everybody understand it? Say yes or no.
Yes.
Yes.
Good.
Yes,
So
sir. Can we leave?
Can we leave?
okay,
Yes.
now listen
Bye,
everyone.
sir.
Listen everyone, you have a small assignment. Everyone should have to do the assignment. It's a small assignment. You can do it in very less time. Everyone has to do the assignment. The period time is over. Okay. And you have one homework for you. You have to do the true false of the worksheet and send me the picture. In the next class, I will show you the answers for these, but it's a homework and there is a small assignment. Everyone should have to do the assignment because I can see who is doing the assignment and who is not doing the assignment, because your names are available in the assignment. So the persons who are doing the assignments, I am seeing them, and the person who are not doing the assignment, I also seeing them that they are not doing the assignment. Everyone should have to do the assignment. Okay, so everyone should open and do the assignment. Okay, right now the period is over. We will meet in the next class, inshallah. Okay, so have a nice day.